Hello, my name is Julie Bench, and my company is KJ's Dresses and Ties. KJ's Dresses and Ties is your new favorite place to get fashionable, modest clothing at an affordable price. At KJ's, we offer a wide variety of ties for both men and boys, as well as a huge collection of dresses and tops for women and girls. We specialize in providing matching outfits, from matching ties and dresses to our Mommy and Me and Daddy and Me collections. With an extensive education in business, finance, and marketing, our team is able to successfully run and maintain this highly competitive business. With our team of designers, as well as our relationship with other brands, we are able to cater to millions of individuals through our website, social media, and brick-and-mortar stores. Our target audience is men and women between the ages of 15 and 45. We offer clothing options that would be appealing to individuals within this demographic. When someone asks me why they should shop at KJ's, I say first and foremost, we are serious when we guarantee 100% satisfaction. Customers will always find a friendly and quick customer service, competitive prices, and a large selection of choices so that they'll never have to settle. Our products are created through the highest quality manufacturers and are carefully maintained by our team to ensure quality control. So come check out KJ's and leave with a new favorite outfit today.